Hi. So, made these guys. They're basically a copy of these guys from Stacker. These are for 1 kilogram spools. These basically a bigger version for 3 kilogram spools. Some of them. It doesn't fit 3DX Tech stuff, but polymaker and pushplastic and the stuff I use, they work great. So they sit back here. I have a mount that they can mount on the back of the machine, but I ain't there yet. And I just want to do a quick build guide on how to make these. So here's just the CAD, look at them. All the stuff you need I'll put in the description thing. And then here on the back, this is the, whatever you want to call it, French thing. Screw that to wherever you want to mount it to, and then this just slides over this piece. Pretty simple. So yeah, that's it. Let's get into the build. Some final thoughts on these. I don't have a min yet, but you're gonna need a grommet thing. I don't know what they call these, cable strain relief. Something, they're like F something 7. I don't know the actual names in the description, but if you're gonna use these 6mm to 4mm PTFE tubes, use the one I suggest. If you just want to use the standard 4mm PTFE tube, then surely there's another one out there for it. I use these, and then at the print head I have something like this, which is a filament sensor, and then I just stick a length of 4mm in the top, and then that just fits inside of there and it's done. So yeah, pretty cheap setup. I think you can find these boxes for like 40 bucks or something. I bought 6 of them from a company called Newark, and I think they're like 30 something a piece. And then all the plastic parts is like another 10 bucks if you just use ASA or ABS. Takes a good 12 hours to print on a 0.8 nozzle. But yeah, it's a really nice workflow type thing to just, when this is out of filament, just yank it up and swap out the boxes and you're done. I don't think I've ever had a failed print on these. What happens with these big boxes is it's kind of a lot of weight. So if you have any resistance in that spool wanting to spin, I think specifically through the tubing too, if it catches or whatever, then it causes like missing segments and print walls, and that's always a pain in the butt. I don't think I've ever had that with these, which has been really nice. And one final note, if you did want to use it, these are good for, I wrote it there, 275 to whatever that is. Can't read it, but they're not for 300 millimeter diameter spools, which is like 3DX Tech or a lot of stuff from Canada. And there is another box by Bud Industries that will fit those, that you'll have to like do your own research and completely design the thing yourself if you wanted to do that. But these work great for polymaker, push plastic. That's pretty much all I use. So yeah, hope you like it. Build you one or don't. Don't know why I'm doing this, not getting paid. Just trying to help someone. All right, thanks. Bye.